Hey lovies, thank you so much for coming back to see me. Today is June 1st. Happy first day of June. Yes, we made it. It's been a lot going on, and 2020 has been a year. I tell you, so far it's been a year. But what we have to do with everything that's going on in our country, we have to come together and pray. If you are a person who believes in the power of prayer, pray for our entire world, because we need healing. We need it. And my heart goes out to the families who lost loved ones, and it's just Ahmaud Arbery, George Floyd, senseless. So my heart does go out to the families and everybody involved who I know are grieving so much, just as well as I am, you are. People are grieving. If you could not have seen what's going on in our world and not be affected, I just don't understand how anyone cannot be affected. So my heart goes out to everyone. All right, so jumping right in, I want to tell you guys about the goodies that I got in the mail. Yes, Tressfully Yours blessed me with their FlexiGlide hairbrush and their scalp massaging shampoo brush. I got both of those in the mail. Thank you so much, Tressfully Yours. I really appreciate it. It's my first time receiving something, and I'm so excited. Yes, I'm so excited. So I wanted to unbox these with you guys and let you know what it's all about, because I definitely will be using these in my next hair wash day, which is coming up. I'm going to tell you guys about it. Okay. Oh my gosh, and it's purple. Yes, it's purple. Oh, it feels really nice. Yes, and they're calling it the FlexiGlide hairbrush. And basically what it says is that it detangles all hair types, textures, densities, and lengths. Straight, wavy, curly, coily, kinky, transitioning, relaxed, text-lax, or synthetic. It says that it is curved, vented fan design with anti-static pin bristles. They feel really good. Ergonomically designed to handle, provides non-slip grip for maximum control. Made with quality material that is lightweight. It is. For comfort yet durable construction. It is heat resistant. Oh, it's heat resistant up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius. It has a quick and painless detangling of even larger hair sections. So that's interesting, because normally I'm really trying to divide it in smaller sections. So we'll put it to the test to see, because I have thick hair. Okay, we'll see. And then it also says it reduces hair breakage and minimizes excessive shedding. Easy to clean and use. And again, that's called the FlexiGlide hairbrush by Tressfully Yours. Okay, so I am really excited to use these on wash day. All right, now the next item they sent me was the Scalp. Just wait a minute. Let me read exactly what it says. Scalp massaging shampoo brush. 2 massage heads are included. Take it out. So yeah, this is the first head here. You see, they're very soft, but I bet that's gonna feel so good. And I love the way it's made here, like it has the little grooves there for, you know, like, so it's a good fit when you're, you know, like for a palm fit when you are in the shower washing your hair. So yeah, so that's really nice. And then this is the second head, how it looks, so you guys can see. And those bristles are made just a little bit different, you see? Yeah, but it feels really nice. Okay, and what it says about the shampoo brush is, it is a 2-way handheld design with 44 soft, flexible silicone tips, non-toxic, ergonomically designed, non-slip grip, contoured to fit the palm, which it does, lightweight and waterproof, deep cleanse, and exfoliates dead skin, oil, and buildup, improves scalp health and stimulates circulation for hair growth. Use in or out of the shower during wash, oil treatments, or dry scalp massages. That's interesting. I bet that feels good on a dry scalp massage. Yes, so thank you so much, Tressfully Yours. I really appreciate you sending me these items. I'm so thankful to you for that. And I will definitely be letting you guys know what I think about it on my next wash day, which will be coming up on Wednesday, June the 3rd, 2020. So let me tell you guys what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing Wash and Go Wednesdays every Wednesday in the month of June. I'm going to be trying different hair collections. My goal is to use the entire collection. Well, not the entire collection. Well, yeah, the entire collection. So I want to try to use the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner. I want to use the whole line to be able to get a wash and go. And I want to be able to compare at the end of June which one I feel gave me the best results. Okay, so if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go follow me at K.Noiree. That way you'll be able to get the little updates as I put them out there. I also will be uploading between 5 and 6 every Wednesday. The new wash and go upload will come out every Wednesday between 5 and 6. So with that being said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'll wait. Go ahead. Give you 2 seconds. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell too while you're at it, so that way you don't miss updates. Okay? Alright. Did you subscribe? Yay! Thank you. Welcome to the fam. Woo! Okay, so yeah, so you guys look out for that, and I'm gonna do another quick video after this one to let you guys know what the first product line will be. I picked up some new ones. So yeah, so you guys follow me on IG, go ahead and subscribe, and I will be demonstrating or using or demoing these items on the first Wash and Go Wednesday. I can't wait to use it, so you guys check it out. All right, you guys stay safe. Remember to pray for our country because we need healing. So please pray for our country. Say a quick prayer if you believe in the power of prayer. Please do that. And you guys stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.